So the next spot is right here, which is just outside of Kaiaua towards Miranda. Miranda has a hot pool, and this area used to be an illegal sort of camping ground, but they turned it into a freedom camping ground after a while, and you can see that it's quite busy, and there's all sorts. It's just a rest area basically as well. Camping and restricted, self-contained vehicles only. Maximum stay is again consecutive 2 nights, and that's it. This is a race rest. Cars like us are usually not really welcome over here. You see, there's all campers, and they don't like cars coming here. I don't know. It looks like they're still not very friendly towards people like us. It's all campus, so there's probably a restriction. It looks like it. You gotta have a certificate, and otherwise you're not welcome. I have no certificate whatsoever. But yeah, that's the difference between the one that I just went to and the one that I'm at now. Is yeah, it's definitely only for camper vans with toilets and all that stuff. So I might just go back to the one I was before. That's it. That'll be meat for tonight. No. Yeah, as you can see, there's a little bit of difference between campers and peasants like us. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. They like to separate people over here. So this is Kaiaua, and on the other side, the hills over there is Coromandel. Freedom camping place over here, quite a few campers here. As you can see, there you go. Quite a few of them. And I'm just on the daytime, the daycare spot. This is the daycare spot. You can't sleep here, but I'll move later on. There's another girl there on the daycare spot. It is a round trip. And the toilet is over there, that's where I'm going. Looks a bit like a penguin, but it isn't. I'll look it up in a minute. This is Kaiaua Bay. I just packed up because I think I might spend the night over here. It's not so busy. It's just a tent, 2 campers there, and they seem to be permanent, so all good for me. It's Pebble Beach. Beautiful area on the Kaiaua Bay Road that leads to Clevedon, and that one, the left over there, leads to Kaiaua, where I just came from. Oh, might just stay over here for a bit. Beautiful. Good evening, people. I'm just at Kaiaua Bay, and I'm going to stay here because it's warm, and I find a good spot to sleep tonight, to be honest. I contemplate on what's next in the week and stuff. At the moment I'm just relaxed and just watching a bit of traffic going through over here, because it is a busy road. And actually, as you've seen, this is a very quiet spot, but a little bit further on where I just went through, very busy, because that's basically where the swimming beach is. This is all paddles over here, and I think there's an event as well. So yeah, so I'm just relaxing along the waterside over here. Look at that. Can't complain about that one, can you? So that's what I'm gonna do. I might just have some fish and chips over here because they got a really good fish and chip shop, but I'll wait for the busyness to go, because it is just a busy area. And I've been really lucky to find this area just a little bit further, very quiet. So yeah, I'm just gonna sign off because I'm a bit tired as well, and so I'm gonna have a bite, make a cup of tea, but I won't be cooking tonight. There's a good fish and chip shop there. So that's me for the night and me for the day, and I'll catch up with you later. Thanks for watching, guys.